how you are using AI in your life. It's still a baby product.
We run a compliance check on it. This is the AI simulation that we run. So
Both of us are IIT Kanpur graduates. Saksham has done his master's thesis in deep learning and AI from Stanford.
My name is Kajal and what's your name?
Saksham.
Rishika. Can you pitch what you guys are building?
Yeah, sure. So it is actually a platform to predict the impact of government policies before they are rolled out.
So like how you are using AI in.
So it is actually a multi-AI agent system in which each AI agent represents a stakeholder for the policy, and they put forward the interests and issues for the stakeholders, these AI agents, to create scenarios of what might happen when these policies are rolled out.
Can you please tell me what's your background?
It is just the two of us. Both of us are IIT Kanpur graduates. Saksham has done his master's thesis in deep learning and AI from Stanford.
And what's your background?
I have done my bachelor's in technology from IIT Kanpur. Post that, I worked as a management consultant for 2 years.
So why do you think this is the right time for this product to exist?
So actually, as we see, a lot of people are building for the businesses, for consumers, but there are very few people building in the AI space for governments. Governments are the biggest customers, and they too need AI solutions to help them do their daily tasks, help them in governance overall.
And when you guys have started it up?
We started about 2 months ago.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's still a baby product. So it is now like in an ideation stage? Or
No. So this is actually a demo we had built for the Uttar Pradesh government. We are in talks with a
like
couple
a
of
dashboard?
so we have actually we are in talks with a couple of northeast state governments and southern states as well.
Can you show me and like explain?
Yeah, exactly. So this is the clear. So whenever a policymaker they come up with a solution or an idea or a draft policy, we run a compliance check on it to ensure that it's legally compliant, whether it's in conflict with any past or current schemes run by the government, and whether it's economically feasible based on the budget data. Following this is the AI simulation that we run. So these are all multiple AI agents trained on historical data of how these groups might have reacted to a similar decision or scheme. And then we try to predict, based on this current solution or idea that the policymaker is coming up with, what are the potentially adverse consequences that could happen. So the idea is to act as a test bed to try to figure out what are the negative consequences that may occur downstream, and thus help the policymakers either refine their policies or be prepared for the adverse consequences.
What was your why to start it up?
We wanted to work in the impact sector. We felt that if we are able to help the government deliver better policies, we'll in turn help all of India together.
So your user who went to the government?
Yeah.
And where do you see yourself like in next 3 to 5 years? It was
I
pretty
think
much
you'll see us, of course, across India and abroad as well. So yeah, you'll see us all over the world.
I hope so. Like I wish you the best
Thank you
for
so
your
much.
future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.